Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you just the basic process of checking for normality in your data. So here we've got males and females, and then we've also got individuals coded a certain way, but I want to check for revise, exam, and anxiety. So I'm going to go up here to analyze, we're going to go to descriptives, and I'm going to do PP plots. And I'm going to move these three variables over, and I'm just going to click OK. Okay, so if I scroll down, so we're going to look at the normal PP plot. We're not going to look at the detrended. So there's a little bit of deviation. All right. If I go down to my exam performance, that's a little bit better. And if I go down to my exam anxiety, I've got a little bit of deviation there. So that's one way to check them. We could also go to analyze, and we could do QQ plots. Again, this is just a way for us to evaluate the normality of our data. And we'll click OK. Wait for that to come up. So I'm going to scroll all the way down. So here's my normal QQ plot. So we see a little bit of deviation in the data. This doesn't look too bad for exam performance. And then you've got your exam anxiety. So that's just one way that we look at our data and ultimately decide, can we use this data? Is it normally distributed?